Hi everyone. Our son's first birthday is around the corner, so we decided to give him a special gift, a busy board. A busy board is not just a fun toy, it's an amazing way to help babies explore, learn, and develop fine motor skills. I'll show you every step of the process and share the tips to make it truly one of a kind. Stick around till the end to see my little one's reaction with that toy. One of the most important steps in this project is finding the perfect wooden piece to serve as a base for the busy board. I initially thought this would be a simple, so I headed to Home Depot to look for options. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything that matched what I had in mind. Either the pieces were too small, too thin, or just not sturdy enough for a baby to play with safety. And then I decided to check out Lowe's, and that's where I struck gold. I found a solid wooden board that was just the right size, thickness, and quality for this project. It's super important to choose something durable and smooth to avoid any splinters or rough edges. I was so relieved when I found exactly what I was looking for. Lowe's definitely came through. If you're selecting a wooden piece like this, safety should be your top priority. Since it's going to be a baby's playboard, first I made sure to baby-proof the edges. Wooden edges can sometimes be sharp or rough, so I added a baby-proofing rubber around all the edges and secured it with glue. Another thing to keep in mind is the weight of the wood. The piece is quite heavy and it could become a safety hazard if it's not secured properly. To make it stable and safe, I decided to screw it into the wall on all four sides. This way the board stays firmly in place, even when our little one tugging and pulling on the items. Safety comes first. If you are planning to create your own busy board and need help finding the right materials, I have added all the links to the product I ordered online in the video description. So if you want to order the same products I used, be sure to check out those links. It will save your time.